Hey there guys, welcome back to Nick's Outdoor Adventures. Today is a different type of video. We're in the garage. We got the Recon 250 out because basically we're just going to change the oil. Thing burns a little bit of oil, so low. I just checked it. I'm like, oh god, I'm low in oil. I got to change it fast. I went for a ride and I'm like, ooh. Like, if I didn't look at it, it would have been bad. This isn't going to be in this video, but probably like maybe in a week or so, the wheel bearings need to be replaced because just listen to this. It's horrible. Even the back ones are bad, but I think like for now we might just do the front because they're the worst. But anyway, let's get started. And change the oil here. So you want to use the oil pan. Put it under. Almost forgot. I'm not getting my hands all dirty, so I'm getting my gloves. You gotta blow them up before you put them on. That helps. Like a balloon. Just stretches them out so you can put them on easier. Apparently I didn't do it enough because this one didn't really work. These gloves are too small for me. I think my brother bought them. His hands are a lot smaller than mine. But let's get down to business. Most positive. That's a 17 millimeter bolt under there. So got a 7 millimeter socket on a snap-on ratchet. Like that flex. I don't really like that. But you guys probably aren't gonna be able to see this part, but the bolt's right under here-ish. So I switched it over to a tripod now, so you guys will get a better view. I would just set it up further out so you could see what I'm doing, but I don't want to show my face, so. Broke it, so now it's well, I'll just get that oil all over my hand and my floor in my garage. So now I'm just letting that drain. If I didn't have this tripod, you guys probably wouldn't have saw that. But I got the bolt. See how oil all over that. You want to wipe that off so a bunch of sand and dust doesn't stick to it. You want to wipe your socket off too. There's some of that stuff on my floor. I took it out. That's still draining. Alright, so it looks like it's done dripping. So we're gonna go put another pair of gloves on. I had to take the other ones off. I didn't show you yet, but I had to take the other ones off to mess with the camera and take it off the tripod. Put it back on my head mount. I didn't want to get it all early. Here you go. Get every last drop out. Alright, so now we gotta put the bolt back in. Should have left it on the tripod for this, but well, I believe you can see a little bit. Some stuff dripping off the frame. Let me get some of that. Oh my God. You're kidding me. Alright, well now, I just ran and got a, I'm not sure what the exact name is, but it's a, they absorb oil. And since I don't want to drop a bolt in there again, but that's still dripping a little bit, and put that down. Now I'm going to drop my bolt in a bowl of oil again. There we go. The hole in the brush plate is so small. I don't even care if I get oil on my hands. Now I should be able to get it on there. I'm gonna get it on there tight. So now that that's on, you're gonna get your quad down. Well, really, you don't really need to jack it up, but I did just because the I don't know why I did it. It's just easier. So you gotta pick it up, put it down. I'll make sure that's able to yeah, it is. It's 10W40. Alright. I don't even know the exact measurement of how to put how much I need in here. I'm just gonna have to keep measuring it. Keep checking it. I mean, I need to use my phone as a light. Should work. Smell fresh oil. Well, that's the rest of that. Now whatever's got in it, it's gonna have to go until the oil I got. We're good. Alright. Well, it took a quart and a half of oil. I guess last time I didn't drain it all. Last time it took not even, took about 3/4 of 1 quart. Yep. Now just stir it up. I might garage do it a little bit. A little bit more. So that should have got the oil everywhere in there. Door. Got it just in time. I didn't feel like blurring anything out there, so that's why. I don't really want like showing my house, my yard, or my face. Got oil everywhere. Don't forget, keep venturing on. Roll that outro. This tire always leaks air. I think the patch in it is bad. Here we go with this socket on here again. at this. Guess I took out of that. I'll test out my blurring skills in this. Or if not, I could just cut this out and I'll put it in. I'll take it for a little ride. I caught it on camera yesterday. Well, actually I did. But there were a bunch of deer running through here. Broad daylight. It was actually about this time. I caught it on my phone, but I have the 5S and the zoom on it is horrible. If I could get a clip of that, I'll try to put it in. On this quad, I got really good at wheelies. I'm not gonna do it right now, just because we just put that oil in, and I want to give the quad time to, get the oil everywhere in it. Looks like someone went up that and ruined it. That wasn't me. Are you kidding me? What? You ruined that one? could have been my brother, but it's not, because it looks like someone went across this field, too, on a quad. Makes me mad, because now I gotta go out there and fix that. But, anyway, off the topic of that, it's finally blueberry season. I think we're gonna start picking, maybe, I think we're picking Wednesday for the first day. Got a lot of blue on here, and they're really good. I can't eat one now, I'll show you guys, but, because they're just sprayed. Can't eat them for 3 days after that, after you spray. I actually probably shouldn't be in here right now, but